Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need your HomePod Mini and iPhone on the same Wi-Fi and updated. This prevents connection hiccups. Once done, open Spotify and start playing the song you want. Tap the device icon in Spotify, then select AirPlay or the HomePod Mini listed there. This routes audio directly to the speaker. You do this because Spotify uses AirPlay to reach HomePod without account linking. Make sure volume on both devices is audible before continuing so you hear confirmation. Now control playback from your phone for the richest experience. Spotify's app shows the audio card and lets you skip, seek, or change volume. Once connected, you can also open Control Center and use the AirPlay audio card to switch outputs quickly. If you add more HomePods, enable multi-room grouping in the Home app so you can stream to several speakers using AirPlay too. Note that Siri on HomePod has limited native Spotify access, so using AirPlay gives full app control when voice fails. To finish, stop playback in Spotify or switch the output back to your iPhone. This cleanly ends the AirPlay session. If audio cuts or won't connect, make sure both devices remain on the same Wi-Fi, then restart the HomePod and your iPhone to clear network state. Finally, update Spotify and HomePod firmware. If problems persist, sign out and back into Spotify or reset the HomePod as a last resort. Tip: check the Control Center audio output first. It often reveals the simplest fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.